Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. DZ, the quality truck accessory people. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. And by NH Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You know, once upon a time we had a sister show here called Performance TV, and this is one of the more popular segments from that show. You guys loved it. Here it is again.
If you're a Jeep owner who likes to go topless, you're going to want to pay attention to this. The folks at Top Lift Pros are back with an update to their already amazing product. Barry, tell us a little bit about what you've done.
Well, as we all know, the Jeeps are a lot of fun, and taking the top off makes the Jeep even more fun. What we've done is we've taken the hassle of getting your Jeep hardtop off. We've turned it into a very simple and easy, safe way to do that.
Now, a lot of our viewers already have this product. It's amazing. One person lifts it up. You've made it even more easy. Show us how.
Well, what happens is, as we do normally with it, is we push it into position, we prep it, and then we push on the lever like you had mentioned. But now we prep it, position it, and now it's just a matter of pushing the button.
Look at that, one touch, simple, easy. You can do it by yourself. And so you want to go outside with your Jeep topless, it's going to be a lot easier to do it. I can imagine a lot of people who have Jeeps really love this product because it just opens up their options.
Oh, absolutely. One of my favorite compliments that we get from people all the time is it's the best money that they spent on their Jeep. And that just makes it worthwhile to see people that take this and use it like that.
So from top on to top off, how long are we talking?
Less than 2 minutes.
See, and to me, that makes every reason you bought the Jeep come to the forefront. You can do it quickly, you can get out there, and it seems like you'd be able to store it pretty easily as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Once you take the hardtop off the Jeep, it just stays there. So it comes off in seconds, it stores safely, instantly, and then you just position this in the garage and it saves space. It takes up very little room in the garage.
And it looks very sturdy also, so rolling around with the top on the Top Lift Pro seems like it would be pretty simple.
Oh, it is. It's extremely simple. We've designed this with 4 independent casters, so it rolls and it's very easy to maneuver whether you're on the concrete floor or on pavers or unimproved surfaces. It works wonderfully.
And for people who already have the previous version, you guys are selling this as an add-on, correct? So if they're at home, they see this and go, oh my goodness, I love that.
Yeah,
they can add it on.
Absolutely. This is brand new. We just came out, and it's a power assist motor, so that you just, as you can see, just push a button and it does all the work for you.
No need to go through a lot of work, heavy lifting. Literally, just one button, it comes up, you roll it back, you're in the Jeep, you're on the road. To me, that is the ultimate. Top Lift Pros. You guys have got a good thing going on, but I got to see it in action, so let's kick it on over to Kathy.
You know, Joe, with the Top Lift Pro, it's such a cool product, but it's even better to see it in action. I've had an opportunity to use this when you guys first came out with it, and it was super simple just to pop it up using body weight. But now you've got this button, Fred.
Right.
One finger is really, really cool.
Right. So essentially, we've adapted an actuator that just helps remove the top with the touch of a finger, and it's all battery operated, self-contained, and we've also adapted a trickle charger on there to keep your battery charged at all times. And then when you want to take your top off, it's a topless in 2 minutes or less.
2 minutes or less. And is there any particular way that we need to roll this in? I mean, obviously you've done this quite a few times. Do we need to be careful of how we locate this?
So it just goes in center and towards the back, and that's it. And so on a 2-door, you really don't need to use your support rails, but we always encourage that for safety reasons. And on a 4-door, we have an extension rail for it.
All right, so some of us aren't lucky enough to have a whole lot of, room in our garages or whatever. What about storage with this unit?
Absolutely phenomenal. So this is the best device on the market, hands down. Storage-wise, you're not going to lose any room in your garage. You can park your Jeep in the garage anywhere you want and put this right in front of it. You can touch your front bumper right to the back legs, and boom, it stores right over the hood of your Jeep. No loss of space.
That's right, so that way we're not hanging this from the Raptors or whatever. We can use this outside if we need to.
Extremely efficient.
Yes, with one person being able to do it with one finger, we can have the top off in minutes because we bought these Jeeps to get out and enjoy them.
Yes, then that's what many of our customers say. It's the best money they've ever spent on their Jeep, period.
That's right, Jeep owners, you can rejoice because there is an easier way, and we can all rejoice because Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings is coming back, so stay tuned.